Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinants. Exercise 1.3. Question number 3. A man is appointed in a job with a monthly salary of certain amount and a fixed amount of annual increment. So salary and then increment பத்தி பார்க்க போறோம். Okay. If his salary was rupees 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service and rupees 23,400 per month at the end of the first month after 9 years of service, then find his starting salary and his annual increment. So X, I'm going to consider X is a salary, Y is a annual increment. Then first condition, if his salary was 19,800 per month at the end of the first month after 3 years of service. So first I'm going to write, so after 3 years kapra, his salary plus 3 years குரிய annual increment ஓட சேர்த்து per month we get 19,800. Condition number 2, rupees 23,400 per month at the end of the first month after 9 years of a service. So second condition becomes அவரோட salary plus 9 years குரிய increment ஓட we get, so monthly salary becomes 23,400. Here I'm going to using the matrix inversion method. So the given equation I'm going to change in the matrix formation. So first coefficient of x becomes 1 1, coefficient of y becomes 3 9, matrix x y which is equal to constant becomes constant matrix, so 19,800 23,400. Then I'm going to give the name for the matrix. So this becomes A matrix, this becomes X matrix which is equal to, this becomes B matrix. So already we know the matrix inversion method means we need X. So here I'm going to apply the pre-multiplication. We get A inverse into B. So this is the formation of matrix inversion method. Then I'm going to find A inverse. So first I'm going to write A matrix. Here I'm going to find the determinant of A matrix is equal to determinant of 1 3 1 9 which is equal to first diagonal minus second diagonal. So 1 9s are 9 minus 1 3s are 3 which is equal to 9 minus 3 becomes 6 is the determinant of A. Then I'm going to find adjoint of A matrix which is equal to, so adjoint of A matrix become first diagonal entries நம்ம interchange பண்ணிக்குவோம். So 9 1, then second diagonal sign மட்டும் interchange பண்ணிக்கலாம். So plus 3 can be written as minus 3, plus 1 can be written as minus 1 is the adjoint of A matrix. So now I'm going to write the formula of A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Here the denominator of determinant of A does not equal to 0. So 1 by determinant of A becomes 6. Then adjoint of A matrix becomes 9 minus 3 minus 1 1 is the A inverse matrix. Now I am going to apply the condition x is equal to A inverse B. So therefore x is equal to A inverse B which is equal to A inverse becomes 1 by 6 of 9 minus 3 minus 1 1 into B matrix becomes 19,800 then 23,400. So here I am going to multiply the matrix 1 by 6 multiple by second matrix. So first matrix அப்படியே copy பண்ணிக்கலாம். So 9 minus 3 minus 1 1. Then second matrix becomes 19,800 by 6. Then 23,400 by 6. Then so first matrix becomes 9 minus 3 minus 1 1. Then I'm going to divide it by 6. We get 3,300. Here 1 6 are 6. Here 3,900. In second matrix, I am going to take the common multiplication 100 outside from the matrix. So remaining first matrix 9 minus 3 minus 1 1. Here 100 taking outside means so remaining 33, then 39. Again I am going to take 3 in second matrix. So 3 into 100 of first matrix becomes 9 minus 3 minus 1 plus 1. Here 3 comes out means here 11 3s are 33. Here 13 3s are 39. So here I am going to multiple this. 3 into 100 becomes 300. Here I am going to multiple first matrix and second matrix. So first row multiple by first column. So 9 11s are 99. Then minus 3 into 13 becomes minus 39. Then second row multiple by first column. Here minus 1 into 11 becomes minus 11. 1 into 13 becomes plus 13, which is equal to 300 of, so 99 minus 39 becomes 60. Here minus 11 plus 13 becomes 2, which is equal to, I'm going to multiple 300 inside the matrix. So 18,000 and 300 into 2 becomes 600 is the capital X matrix. So capital X becomes small xy matrix. Therefore X is equal to 18,000. Then Y becomes 600. Therefore salary becomes 18,000 rupees. Increment becomes 600.